पत्रकार हो लोकशाहीचो खामो. पत्रकारिता लोकशाहीत खूप महत्वाची असता. मिडिया हो बरो मार्गदर्शक असे मत मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर हांणी उक्तायला. बुधवारा जाल्ल्या राष्ट्रीय पत्रकारिता दिसाच्या सुवाळ्यात ते उलयताले. ह्या वेळार ज्येष्ठ पत्रकारांचो मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या हस्तुकीं भोवमान जालो. आर्टेक्स गोवा पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
पत्रकारिता ही लोकशाहीत खूप महत्वाची असता. राजकारणात हांव आयलो तेन्ना सगळ्यात जास्त जर कोणाचो म्हाका भंय दिसता जाल्यार पत्रकारांचो. पण ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टाइम आय रियलाइज की media persons are the best friends, they are the best guides. काही जण फोन करून सांगतात, काही जण बरोवन सांगतात, पण त्यांची सगळी सजेशन्स ही पॉलिटिशियन्स म्हणून घडपाक खूप उपयुक्त ठरतात. आणि त्यामुळे सुरुवातीक पत्रकाराकडे भावचळणारो हांव हळूहळू you must have realized and you accepted also कि I am most comfortable with each and everybody of you. म्हाका कोणाच कडेन खंयच्याच प्रेसाकडे आतां वतना हाऊ टू फेस असो म्हाका प्रश्न केन्ना निर्माण जायना. लोकशाहीचे लेजिस्लेचर, ज्युडिशियरी आणि एक्झिक्युटिव्ह हे तीन स्तंभ आसातच. पण ह्या तीनही स्तंभांक इतलोच महत्वाचो किंबहुना काकणभर जास्त हो पत्रकारिता. आणि एक महत्वाचा स्तंभ सांभाळणारे तुम्ही. आणि त्यामुळे लोकशाहीची चाड असणाऱ्या शासनान पत्रकारितेत वावरणारे सगळ्यांची काळजी घेवप ही जबाबदारी असता.
The Press Council of India was established to enable the press to perform its expected role of reaching out to the public so as to uphold the larger public interest. The press in the state, like in other parts of the country, has over the years been a vibrant protector of freedom of speech and expression. I salute the journalists who have worked tirelessly over the years to uphold the constitutional mandate of freedom of speech and expression. It is said that the press informs, the press educates, and the press even entertains. In a democracy, it plays an important role in the formation of public opinion. It is considered as a guardian of public interest and a tool to uphold government accountable to the people. It is also considered as a bridge to facilitate dialogue between the government and the citizens for the formulation and implementation of state policies. A free, fair, objective and transparent press is a potent instrument for enhancing transparency and accountability. Freedom of press is thus one of the most important ingredients of democracy. It is of utmost importance, therefore, that the information released by the press is accurate, objective and impartial. The Press Council of India has strongly upheld the principles of ethics and morality. The press and other forms of media give vigorous information to the Indian news and information channels. The press, the electronic media, along with growing access of social media, has provided ample scope for the citizens to gather information.